Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Koyocha. I want to bring you the weekly analysis. I will try to make 2 videos today, one on the currency and stuff, then the other on crypto, and I would like to make it as short as possible. Okay, so let's begin. Today is Saturday, 27th day of January 2022. So this is DSY dollar index, where I usually start my analysis. Okay, so you can see DXY. This is daily charts. As I used to say, whenever you see a channel, don't ignore it. In as much we are expecting in the lower time frame for the 5 to continue and end around here. At the same time, you don't ignore channel. The markets have broken a channel and it's trying to overrule the channel, but not yet. So we can see this can happen as an emergency. You must be expecting this, and this will happen. Okay, in case it happens, don't be surprised. Okay, but the best to do is to follow it on lower time frame. And whenever the price breaks this low, if price begins to come down and break this low, that's 94.7. Forget about this. It will begin to go down. So let's go to 4 hours. Network. Okay, you can see 4 hours. Let me zoom the chart. You can see we have wave 1, 2, 3, and wave 4 made a very protracted and time-consuming correction. You can see from how many months, I don't have the time, but you can see the time it took to correct. Now, what are we expecting? We are assuming here is wave 4. And that if that is the case, we expect wave 5 to break this, give us wave 5 of this structure, then make correction and give us another wave 5 to complete the daily wave 5. So, but if we see any sharp move, maybe something like this, begin to happen below this place, forget it. It means that wave 5 have ended here as a truncation. So that's all I can tell you now on DSY. The daily time frame, you can see the labeling of the waves very well. 1, 2, 3, then 4, and we are expecting 5. This is likely 1 of 5, maybe 1, 2, and so on. But we're expecting the price to still go up unless we see a very strong down move. For now, we are still buying, maybe towards 98 or thereabouts. USD, USD, you can see USD is somehow a little different on DSY. On USD, you can see such channel. The market broke the channel and came back right into the channel. Okay, so the hope of going lower is more on USD than DSY. But all the same, the two pairs goes opposite direction. So USD gives us the strong mind that we are getting lower and this one is going higher. But mind you, this one is close to USD anyway. Okay, so let's see 4 hours. Here it shows that this before has ended because this is a strong move. Okay, so let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting wave 5, maybe it has completed, or maybe wave 4 want to make A, B, C, and expanding flat or running flat. If it doesn't go higher, it means that wave 4 is a running flat. So here, or let me show it for 1 hour for it to be clearer for us. So this is 1, 2, 3. There were 4. Here can be wave 4. Make no mistake about it. Then it can also be A, B, C, which is a running flat, or it may go higher, which is an expanding flat. Okay, so but I don't want to make so much labeling. Okay, so but this can be wave 4 equally, and if that is the case, this will be wave 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and so on. So whichever one that's happening, USD is the sell, even if the price comes up more. For instance, let me show you something. Let me remove this. The price can still make now the price has completed an ABC as a running flat. Then if you don't want to make an expanding flat, you can see the price come to this level before going down. So it doesn't matter even if it goes up again. The only place I will see, and I will no longer try to sell it, if price closes above this level, then I will forget about selling. So if price goes above this level, if price goes above this level, then I will stop expecting sell. Okay, but I don't see it coming there anyway. So you know JPY. Let's see daily again. We have, to me, this is the complete correction. So whatever is happening here, the price will still go up. That's my own view on the market. It's came to our reversal zone and reversed. So let's see for 4 hours. In 4 hours, we got a deeper correction. This is the impulse, this is the correction. In my opinion, I thought it would have ended within this zone, but it went deeper. Now I see it is making 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that is the case, it will now comply with bat pattern, bullish bat, which you can see supposed to end at 128.0 or so at 128 or 127.9. I mean this in this red box. So let's keep a watch what happens after here. What let's Euro card. Let's check Euro card. Euro card came to our reversal zone and reversed. I can see a strong sell on Euro card. So I have no doubt if it have reversed. When you see a strong candle, you will know this is a strong candle. Let's see 4 hours. On daily, it have reversed. On 4 hours, you can see this candle is strong. So what do we expect on Euro card? We look for correction. We look for correction, and what next? If you get the correction, something like this, then we buy. That's all I can. That's all I know on Euro card. So for now, I don't have anything to tell you because the market is like on the move. You don't enter a vehicle when the vehicle is moving. You need to wait for the vehicle to stop before you enter. So just what I can say about Euro. Let's see correction, then we enter buy. I'm yet to buy Euro card anyway. I wasn't in the market when it reversed. So you don't catch all the trades unless you are with your computer all the time, which I don't do. I do other things. So USD card also reversed as our reversal zone. I see this ABC, it reversed, and this is the next place we are expected to go 1.3233 area. So not within 1 week. It will take time to get there because this is a daily chart. So let's see 4 hours as well. USD card, you can see wave 5 made a truncation, but this is an ABC. So the wave 5 doesn't have much to do because it is a corrective move. Okay, so now you can see that the bullish move is confirmed. Any need to pull back is buy. Okay. The next is JPY. Let's check daily. Okay, daily we are expecting the price to go lower. Last week I told you we are having either running flats or expanding flats. Okay, so let me show you 4 hours again on this pair. Last week in my analysis, when price was here, I told you that we have 2 possibilities, that this can be a running flat and price will go up, or it will reverse within this zone. You can see it reversed on the zone and it's coming back. So now what we have in mind is that this is flat. All right. So an expanded flat, not a more that the price must come to this place where I pointed the arrow. No, any little move below this end of A is already an expanding flat. And secondly, expanding flat can travel very far, very far that you can think of. So you always be careful when you face an expanding flat. Then you get the market based on 1 hour time frame so that you don't so you can be able to control your trades. Okay. Now you see how the market is moving. It's like it's making a channel. The pair is making channel. So you can see you must continue within the channel, and then it will break it and go up. So be watchful and don't be careless about that. USD check is also going down. Remember, let's say this puzzle, this big ABC, we need to complete. You see a question: are we getting it, or are we truncate? In the market is repetitive in nature, so we might get this big ABC. So what I'm saying is that when the market is going down with speed, don't be confused. So let's go back to 4 hours to see what we are going to see in the next picture. In 4 hours, what we expect is another ABC, which means we expect the price to drop to this level in this blue box. It may hit this place, going into more into opposite where and drop again. So I put an ABC towards 0.9, 0.89 and thereabout. So that's my expectation on USD check. The next is USD. This pair is one of the best I like to trade. So let me look into it. USD. Okay. In my last analysis, I forecasted this. Maybe it is about to happen. I don't know. Okay, but from what I'm looking at here, the price is going down and it's gonna go down lower. Maybe it will likely making likely make a channel. So you can see we may hit this channel and go up, or we get a complete equal leg, which is very, very far. If it happens, you see the price coming to 0.63 area. Even if it happens, it will take a long time. But now, since this move is an impulse, this correction might not come to this level again. Maybe we may get the price, hit this low, and do what? And go back. Okay, so let's keep watch. But the issue there is that we are preparing for buy, but not now. It is still selling now. So let's see 4 hours. It is still selling, but the much it will sell is what I cannot tell you now, because I'm yet to make proper analysis on the much it can sell. But let's say we are getting 3 waves. A, B, C. So at least expect the price to drop to this level. The same thing, you can see the same channel we saw on daily. So you can now, this is like a confirmation. So price will likely go to this level and reverse. Okay. AUD USD. Okay. AUD USD. Daily. Okay, so I got a call, and that's why I stopped talking. Okay, so now you see what we are getting here, and A, B, C. So expect the price to come to this low. But you know, this is daily chart. It takes time to do that. But let's go to 4 hours. So we see where we expect the price to hit in the nearest future. So 4 hours, expect another ABC to this level. That is 721, 712, 71, or even 70. That's 0.70 or thereabout. So the message is that we are not buying AUD USD now. Rather, we are still selling. Then we look for buy. When price enters this blue box, we're going to look for buy setup. Okay. Let me make it visible on daily. Okay, so gold, I can only say gold. I can only say gold now. Though it can still go up a bit, but the going up is to complete a structure. So I'm looking for sale on gold. So let me see 4 hours to know the possibility of gold going up and where it is going. Gold can still go to this blue box. So it's 50-50. It's 50. That's why I don't want to buy. It's 50-50. So for sale, I'm preparing for sale. But for buying, I don't see how I haven't seen what make me. Let me check 1 hour to see whether I have something that make you buy. Okay, let me do something here. You might see a good reason to buy. Okay, if gold comes to this level here and give me buy setup, I will buy because it will not be a good trade. If it's got to this blue box and I see a nice buy setup, I will buy. But in overall, I prefer to sell than buy. So silver is better than gold in structure. Gold is so complex, but silver is somehow better. You can see silver turned at our reversal zone and it have reversed. So let's take 4 hours on silver again. Okay, you can see it's a big ABC and it reversed inside there. And you can see the price is strong already going down. So let's see 1 hour as well. You see it. Though this move is corrective anyway. This move is corrective. So don't just be in a haste to sell. It can. So this move is corrective in nature. So for that reason, if you want to sell silver, don't use big stop loss. Then here will be, I mean, don't use big loss size because here will be your stop loss. Then to help ourselves, let us also measure this. Okay, so this reversal zone, the way silver moves into it will determine whether we are getting the reversal or not. But to me, selling is what I can see on silver for now. So let me remove this. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Let's see daily. It is in the reversal zone, but the move is still strong. It's get to reversal zone, but the move is still very strong. Okay, so yeah, from the farmers. The move here is still strong. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. Then 4 hours, we see it is in a reversal zone. But don't rush into buying. Why I'm showing you the reversal zone is that you don't enter sell from here. It will be an error. Even if you enter sell, the price dropped to this level. Don't think that what we did is good. You just made the money out of luck. Luck do exist in trading. You can enter a sell from here and it's dropped. You think that you are a professional trader. No, it's an error, but the error favored you. So I'm only looking for buy setup. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, the market is deep in the reversal zone. So what I will do, I'll be looking for buy setup. Buy setup is something like this, a strong move like this, something like this, then something like this, something like this, something like this is a buy setup. A strong move up, correction, and a buy. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Pounds USD. Let's see daily as well. Okay, daily is a little let's say strange move or confusing, not confusing anyway, because market can move anyhow. But this channel has been broken. The price is right inside it. Okay, so I don't think it is coming low again. No, this is what will likely happen. A move maybe 50% of this level. That is from here to here, 50%. Then the price will go back, correct, and move. So That's my thinking. That's my thinking. So let's see. Let's check 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. You can see we have wave A, wave B, and wave C will take us to this level. So whenever GB past USD comes to 1.34, sorry, 1.346 area, 1.34 zone is where we look for buy. Okay, I think that's the end of our. Okay, let me combine stocks with currency. So US100, the market is selling like mad. Remember, I always tell you, whenever a trend is so slow, be careful. Always shift to stop loss. Your stop loss to break even, because the profit you make in 2 weeks, in 2 months, can be wiped out within 2 hours. This is why I'm telling you this strong move. I never expected it. I know it will happen one day. You see how strong it is. Had it been that you entered the buy here and you didn't move your stop loss to break even, when this happened, what will happen? All your profit is gone. So that, you see why I'm saying, if market is making this type of move, always move your stop loss to break even. This is a typical example. So now the market is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1. This is 2. Then I don't want to label this because I don't know how far the wave 3 will go. So I don't want to label something offhand. So let's watch and see the wave 3, how it will go. But I can tell you the US100 will go deeper and deeper. Okay. So with US100, US30, but US30 and US100, the same structure or similar structure, they are just going crazy. Maybe we get something like this, another big move again. So just keep your eyes on it. You see what will happen. Though it's fond of doing this. Let's say, let's go whether it will do it again. The correction is always in a single wave. Okay, let's see if this will be different this time. Nifty is maybe slower in selling, but it also is also selling. Can we get this in Nifty? Let me put the channel. Can we get this? Can we get this? That is ABC. Time will tell. So let's wait for this first. Let's wait for this first. Correction to this level is the first thing we expect. This is what we expect next. Prepare to drop to this level, then we know whether we are getting a rejection or a correction from here. Okay, so Dow, DJI, wow, it's also dropped strongly. Okay, almost all of them, the indexes. the indices. On this DJI, I expected it to make an big ABC, but it's made it almost there. This and this drop, this is no longer valid. It has broken the maximum expected reversal zone. So it's now, what we are getting now is no longer a simple ABC. We are now getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason I don't want to label it is that this is 1, this is 2, this 3. I haven't known where it will end. Though we can project where Wave 3 can end. For instance, we can project Wave 3 to come between, let me show you levels where we expect Wave 3 to end. This go out. This go out. Wave 3 can come to this level, get 200. This level. So Wave 3 can travel as high as 261 or even higher. I mean, even lower. So that's why I'm not in a haste to level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until they are complete, or at least I'm sure that Wave 3 have completed. So let me leave it for now. So, but if you get a pullback, you can sell. UK100. It's also sold. And selling not yet over. Okay, I think I'll stop here. Which one again? Tesla, DAX also dropped. Almost all of them. Tesla dropped as well. Though Tesla not, it's still within the range. Still within the range. So we expect this to come to this level, then it will reverse. Copper and nickel. Copper and nickel. Copper and nickel, though they are metals anyway. Copper and nickel are metals. They are not indexes. Okay. So on these two pages, let's keep watching the channel they have created. You see what's going within the channel. Maybe this what will likely happen. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this. So watch out for this type of movement. Within the channel, break the channel, go the other way. Nickel is moving stronger. No, nickel is metal. Nickel is metal, just like gold and silver. It's going strong. Going strong. So it's high. Wow. So any pullback, the buying is strong. Any pullback, you will buy. I don't see reason for selling now. Okay, that's the end of this video. The next will be crypto. It will be very short, but there's nothing much to show on cryptos. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share our video, ask your questions. If you want to learn from me, we have students class. I will still have chances to be filled this year. So you can contact me. My details are in the below the description of this video. My phone number, my free Telegram channels are there, 2 of them. Then one is for students. That one, when you pay, I add you there. We have Slack, where we discuss and share chats. We share trade ideas. One of the benefits that you get trade ideas from me free of charge. Once you become a student, you'll be getting trade ideas. Thank you for watching.